You might think it's difficult to customize your email notification sound on your phone, but it's actually quite simple. Here's how you do it on your Galaxy A16. Start by going to the home screen where you can find the email app you're using. For this tutorial, we will be using Gmail. Tap and hold the Gmail icon until the options appear. Then tap the small app info icon at the top right corner. On the next screen, tap Notifications. If it's not already enabled, make sure to turn it on. At the bottom of the screen, tap Notification Categories. From there, select Mail, as we're focusing on changing the email notification sound. Next, tap Sound, which will open a list of available sounds for your notifications. Choose the sound that best suits your preference. Once you've made your selection, tap the back icon at the top to save your changes. After completing these steps, the notification sound for your emails will be updated to the sound you chose. We hope this guide helps you personalize your Galaxy A16 to better suit your needs. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.